So basically, my family has registered as a victim family in the United States of America. We've contacted all the Justice Department of America and we've been registered as a victim family. So from the victim notification, we get updates about Anmol Bishnoi. Previously also, we got to know that he's detained by the DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, in Iowa, in the jail of Iowa. And today we've got a mail that federal government has removed Anmol Bishnoi from the United States of America as on 18th November 2025. So the question arises that is he being deported to India? And my strong request to the central government is to actually bring him back if he's removed from America, and for the state government as well to bring him back to Mumbai and to make sure that he's interrogated and arrested because he's a threat to the society. He was named in my father's murder as well. In Salman Bhai's case also, his name has been arising frequently. So he's a threat to the society, to our family, to everyone. And for us to know who's the mastermind behind my father's murder, if they say that Anmol Bishnoi directed it, there must be someone who's asked Anmol Bishnoi to do this. So it's very important for us to know who has asked Anmol Bishnoi to do this. So for that, they need to bring Anmol Bishnoi back to Mumbai. And if he's been released, if he's been removed from America, then it's a very good opportunity for the Indian government to intervene and make sure he's deported back to India.
Overall development in your father case, what do you think?
No, see, we are still awaiting justice, and it's been more than a year, and I feel like somewhere down the line, justice has not been served yet. But we are hoping for us to get justice. We are in the court for it, and the people who have done it are behind the jail. But who has actually asked the murder to done? Because nobody's going to do it just for their own sake. Because my father didn't have anything to do with Bishnois. So who has asked Anmol Bishnoi or the henchmen to do that? It's very important for us to know that. And we have named the people who we think has done it. But it's for the government and the courts to probe into this. But for today, if Anmol Bishnoi has been removed by the United States of America, he's a key link and he should be brought to Mumbai and interrogated for sure.
देखिए, ये सिस्टम डिपेंड करता है कि हमने सीबीआई ने क्या रिक्वेस्ट की, इंटरपोल ने क्या किया. अगर डिपोर्टेशन की रिक्वेस्ट हमने की थी तो क्या अमेरिकन कानून के हिसाब से डिपोर्टेशन में वो हो सकता था? नहीं, ये आपस की संधि पे डिपेंड करता है. लेकिन आजकल के तनाव को देखते हुए भारत और पाकिस्तान में उन्होंने एक्स्ट्राडिशन को ना करके उसको डिपोर्ट करने की जो प्रक्रिया है उसको ज्यादा प्रेफर किया है. तो मैं समझता हूँ ये भी ठीक है. अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्ट तो उसको भारत में लाने का था, जो कि सक्सेस हो सकता है. मैं समझता हूँ ये हमारी जो एजेंसीज हैं, जो सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज हैं, हमारी जो इंटरपोल है, सीबीआई है, उनकी बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है कि किस प्रकार से असाइलम नहीं होने दिया उसको और उसको निकाल कर लिया है. वरना असाइलम का कानून अमेरिका और कनाडा में बहुत इजी कानून है और कोई भी जाके पहले कई सालों पहले जब उग्रवादी वहां जाते थे या बदमाश कोई जाते थे या कोई गैंगस्टर्स जाते थे, वो वहां पर असाइलम मांगते थे और असाइलम इजीली मिल जाता था. और वो असाइलम ना दिलवाने का एक जो हमारा सक्सेस रेट है, मैं समझता हूं ये हमारी जो राजनीतिक जो कूटनीति है उसको दर्शाता है कि हम किस प्रकार से ऐसे क्रिमिनल्स को जो असाइलम लेकर यहां पर क्राइम करके असाइलम लेना वहां चाहते हैं, उनको नहीं लेने दिया और उसको डिपोर्ट करवा दिया. हमारी ये बहुत बड़ी, मैं समझता हूं, डिप्लोमेटिक जीत है. इस प्रकार से ऐसे क्रिमिनल्स को विदेशों से भारत में लाना एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है आपने हमारे गृह मंत्रालय की और विदेश मंत्रालय की. और इससे क्या, इसका इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ये होगा कि जो दूसरे लोग यहां से क्राइम करके भागकर छुपना चाहते हैं वहां किसी और देश में, वो उनको एक डिस्करेजमेंट होगा और वो इसको समझेंगे कि हम अगर भाग भी गए तो वापस लाया जा सकता है. इसलिए धीरे धीरे मैं समझता हूं हमारी सरकार इसमें गृह मंत्रालय और विदेश मंत्रालय दोनों मिलकर ऐसे काम को करेंगे और बहुत से जो लोग अभी भी नहीं आ सके हैं उनको डिपोर्ट कराने में सक्षम.
I think this is another feather at the hat of the Indian foreign policy when it comes to extraditions of many of the elusive and fugitive characters who have left India. And I think this is give a good indication that India is persuading all the nation and asking them to bring all the wanted people inside India for a trial inside India. And I think that's also a message for your neighbors. They should also respect India concern and also bring those people who have committed any kind of a terrorist act or any kind of, killing on a crime to India for a trial to achieve the justice, and let the people who suffered, the families of the victim, should also get their justice at the end of the day.